They say you can land your first IT job with just one cert. But is that even real? Today, we're diving into the CompTIA A Plus and whether it's your golden ticket into tech. This is episode 1 of your full CompTIA A Plus series, powered by HackByte. In just a few minutes, you know what the A Plus is, who it's for, and why it's so valuable in the tech industry today. CompTIA A Plus is one of the most trusted entry-level IT certifications in the world. It proves you know the basics of troubleshooting, networking, hardware, mobile devices, security, and more. It's vendor neutral, globally recognized, and often the first steps into the tech industry. To earn the cert, you'll need to pass 2 exams, Core 1 and Core 2. Core 1, also called 220-1101, covers hardware, mobile devices, networking, and cloud. Core 2, 22-1102, dives into operating systems, security, and software troubleshooting. If you're just getting started in IT, this is the cert for you. Help desk technician, desktop support, field service. You'll see CompTIA A Plus required in job listings everywhere. With the A Plus cert, you're proving you know how to support real systems, users, and networks. Average starting salaries range from 50K to 60K, and it opens the door to even higher paying specialties like cybersecurity and cloud. This HackByte series will walk you through every single Core 1 exam objective, visually, practically, and clearly. Laptops, ports, protocols, Wi-Fi, and more. No fluff, just real content you can use. If you're ready to break into tech, hit subscribe, drop a like, and follow along. This is HackByte, breaking down tech one byte at a time.